This is the lift at Home Sense in Milton, Keynes, Kingston. Door close button does work, I like that. It's Notice Gen 2. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Built in 2016.
Going down. Doors closed.
Hurrah, G. And that's it. This is the lift at a gym in Kingston, Milton Keynes. It's an Evans lift. Indicator works. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos. Back down to G. There is a phone. It's in good condition as well. We are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at
Doors closing.
Tesco in Kingston, Milton Keynes, Kingston Retail Park. It's an Ace lift. Capacity is 21 persons, 1,600 kilos. Built in 2001. Hurrah 1. It's maintained by Summit.
Doors opening.
Go back down to G.
Lift going down. Doors closing.
Take it back up to 1 and we'll look through the pit.
Doors opening. Lift going up.
Watch the door shut.
Doors closing.
And that's it.